Good morning. Welcome to our quarterly Employee Awards and Recognition Ceremony. Today, we celebrate the exceptional dedication and contributions of our staff who serve our nation's heroes. My name is Catherine Bird, a training specialist with the Employee and Patient Experience Service, and I'm honored to serve as your Mistress of Ceremonies. Our department is committed to enriching both the employee and veteran experience, ensuring we continue to deliver world-class care across Northeast Ohio. A warm welcome to our awardees. This is a significant achievement for you and a proud occasion for all of us. We also extend our appreciation to our executive leaders, managers, supervisors, and service chiefs who have joined us in support and recognition of your outstanding work. Now, please join me in welcoming our Acting Executive Director, Ms. Katina Stone-Jones, for opening remarks.
All right, good morning. Thanks for being here this morning. This is one of the great things we get to do aside from taking care of our veterans each day. I'm always enjoy hearing about the Hero Awards and the Eye Care Awards, and especially the Daisy and what's the LPN? Sunshine Award for the NAs. Thank you for all the years of service that we're going to celebrate this morning. It is such an honor to be able to work with and lead this great community of professionals. So with that, I will turn it back over and we'll get started. Thank you.
Thank you. We will now begin presenting our first awards, starting with the Length of Service Award. The VA Northeast Ohio healthcare system proudly values its employees, recognizing that your expertise and dedication transform VA from a workplace into a rewarding career. Experienced staff are vital to fulfilling our mission to serve veterans, and we are grateful for your ongoing commitment. To show our appreciation, we present service awards to honor employees for their years of service at the VA. I'm delighted to welcome each recipient to receive their Length of Service Award. Please hold your applause until all members of each service group have been recognized. Ms. Katina Stone-Jones, Acting Executive Director, will present the Length of Service Awards. 20-year awardees, please stand. Svetlana Pundik. Karen Snyder. Jessica McIntyre. Sean Dillingham. Shauna Hall. Edward Queen Jr. Carnetta Garrett. Kenitra Moore. Sharon Ava Ezekiel. Erica Bonds. Constantine Ribbage. Amanda Johnson. Kelly Gilliland. Amber Simicek. Amber, please come to the podium to say a few words about your experience.
As I'm sure a lot of the other 20-year members know, I like to joke and say, I've been around longer than these buildings. I work at the CARES Tower, I cover at Parma, but I started back in Brecksville, as I'm sure many of the others have. So it's been a whirlwind of change throughout the years, coming from even the note writing and how we're doing things, seeing other employees come and go, and still being here with some of the other veteran employees. So it's been a good time, and I got 10 more to go at a minimum here. So counting it down.
Thank you so much, Amber. 25-year awardees, please stand. Michelle Stutler. Tom Dixon. Corva Evans. All right, thank you so much. Will our 30-year awardees please stand? Yes, please stop. Yes. They're definitely making their way. I said 30, yeah. No, okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Need the card. Okay. Cindy Gamella, 30 years. 35-year awardees, please stand. Tanya J. Thomas. Deborah Billingsley. Dwight Morton. And Dwight, please come to the podium to say a few words about your 35-year experience.
I never thought I'd be here at 35 years here at the hospital, but it has been a wonderful 35 years. Hopefully, I will do 5 more years. I love working here at the VA hospital to help care for the vets, because I'm a vet myself. Have a wonderful day.
Oh, absolutely.
And I'm going to try to do 5 more years.
Thank you, Mr. Morton. It is now time to congratulate the award recipients of the following awards: Quarterly Safety Award, Daisy Nurse Award, Sunshine Award, Great Catch Awards, Employee of the Month Awards, Eye Care Individual Awards, and Eye Care Servant Leader Awards. We will now present the new Quarterly Safety Award. Please welcome Theodore Clark, Maintenance and Operations Chief, and Marie Burke, Chief of Occupational Health and Safety, who will present this award.
Good morning. I'm very excited to see this award presented here. We've been recognizing an employee's safety of the quarter for several years, but this will be the first time that we recognize it at this award ceremony. Mr. Brad Slaughter will be the first recipient of this at the award ceremony. He's been working along with occupational health and safety for many years to progressively change the safety culture in the boiler plant. His supervisor, Mr. Theodore Clark, is going to read his nomination.
Good morning, everyone. Mr. Brad Slaughter consistently exceeds expectations in supporting the medical center safety and health program. During a recent boiler and fuel safety walkthrough, he actively identified potential deficiencies, explained operational issues, and engaged collaboratively with safety requirements. His professionalism and cooperative attitude greatly enhanced the process. After being provided with items for improvement, Brad addressed every concern promptly and thoroughly. The area was clean, organized, and hazard-free upon reinspection. Throughout, his commitment and positive approach made him a pleasure to work with. As a supervisor, Brad leads by example, participating in inspections, JHA certifications, incident investigations, and training. His expertise and adaptability make him a key asset to the program. Brad's dedication to improving safety makes him well deserving of recognition as Safety Employee of the Quarter. Please congratulate Mr. Brad Slaughter. Congratulations, sir. Glad to be your supervisor.
Thank you so much. Ms. Natalie Palmieri, Acting Associate Director of Patient Care Services, please come to the podium to present the Daisy Nurse Award and the Sunshine Award. The Daisy Nurse Award. This is an international award. This international award honors nurses for their extraordinary compassion and care, reflecting the VA's core values of integrity, commitment, advocacy, respect, and excellence. It allows staff, patients, and families to show gratitude for the difference nurses make every day. All VA Northeast Ohio healthcare system RNs and LPNs are eligible.
Good morning, everybody. So I'm pleased to recognize Mr. Lance Britton as May's Daisy Award winner, and I'll read his nomination. Lance Britton is a Marine veteran and ED nurse at VA Northeast Ohio Health System who has led 2 innovative projects to improve veteran care. He initiated the clothing closet to provide new clothing for veterans in need and developed a new trauma triage process to ensure proper care for trauma patients. Lance's dedication, professionalism, and commitment to veterans go above and beyond expectations, making him highly deserving of the Daisy Award. Please congratulate Lance Britton, RN, emergency department. Oh, here, okay.
The Sunshine Award. The Sunshine Award honors nursing assistants, surgical, and healthcare technicians at the VA Northeast Ohio healthcare system for their exceptional support in caring for veterans. These, these essential team members help create a safe, comfortable, healing environment through remarkable care. All nursing assistants, surgical, and healthcare technicians are eligible for this award.
Thank you so much. So I'm pleased to recognize that Jasmine Washington, nursing assistant from 5A, was awarded as our April this year Sunshine Award winner. And her nomination read, Jasmine Washington is an outstanding nursing assistant whose warm, empathetic care makes a real difference for patients and families. She goes above and beyond, like bringing in a patient's favorite food, to create a comforting environment. Jasmine works collaboratively with the team, is dedicated to safety, and truly embodies the spirit of the Sunshine Award. Please congratulate Jasmine Washington, nursing assistant. Thank you.
We will now present the Great Catch Awards for Q3 2026. These awards recognize staff who help prevent potential adverse events and promote patient safety. Thank you to our recipients for their commitment to continuous improvement and high-quality care. This quarter, we recognize a few employees who received the Great Catch Awards. Please welcome Dolly Edmond, Patient Safety Manager, who will present these awards. We would like to congratulate and recognize the following employees for their great catches.
Hello. For April, a nurse caring for a veteran on 4B with a tracheostomy observed that breathing treatments were being administered via an aerosol mask, which is not appropriate for a tracheostomy. Demonstrating strong clinical awareness and advocacy, the nurse promptly contacted respiratory therapy to clarify the correct method. As a result, a trach collar was provided for proper treatment delivery. This nurse's attention to detail and commitment to patient safety exemplifies teamwork and makes him a valuable asset to the VA. Please congratulate Aristotle F. Mojica, RN Nursing Floating Pool. For May, during a surgical sign-in, a nurse preparing a patient for surgery recognized that the correct surgical site was the opposite side to what had been documented. The nurse immediately halted the process and consulted the surgical team. A review of the medical record confirmed that the consent was completed for the wrong side. An addendum was made to the consent and the correct procedure was safely performed. By speaking up and verifying surgical details, this nurse prevented a significant error and demonstrated outstanding commitment to patient safety. Please congratulate Kayla Lewis, surgical nurse. For June, during a medication review for a patient with suspected viral encephalopathy, neurology intended to prescribe acyclovir based on the patient's weight, approximately 775 milligrams per dose. Instead, an order for only 100 milligrams was placed. Fortunately, the morning pharmacist noticed the discrepancy during preparation, promptly reached out to neurology, and the order was corrected. Thanks to the pharmacist's attention to detail and the timely action, the patient received the appropriate dose and safe care. This demonstrates the exceptional vigilance and teamwork of our pharmacy staff. Please congratulate Roland Rovito, Pharm D.
Next is our Employee of the Month Awards for Quarter 3. VA Northeast Ohio Healthcare System strives to recognize individual employees who make contributions in support of the mission, organizational goals and objectives, and VA strategic plan. This monthly award recognizes outstanding employee efforts during the specified period as evidenced by peers, customers, and management. The employees that are chosen for this award are nominated by other VA employees. A committee reviews the nominations and selects the awardee. Please welcome Pam Pendleton, EPES Chief, who will present these awards.
Good morning. Our April Employee of the Month is Penelope or Penny Hedman, nurse practitioner. Penny provided exceptional care for a veteran experiencing a severe panic attack at the Parma CBOC. Despite the veteran's anxiety and reluctance to seek care due to PTSD, Penny stayed by his side, performed a thorough assessment, and managed his acute symptoms. With empathy and patience, Penny listened to the veteran and his wife, offered support, and prescribed appropriate treatment. Thanks to her commitment and compassionate engagement, the veteran, who had previously refused VA follow-up, agreed to schedule ongoing care. Penelope Hedman's actions truly exemplify the iCare values, making a meaningful difference for this veteran and his family. Please congratulate Penelope Hedman, nurse practitioner, Parma VA Clinic. Our May Employee of the Month was given to Amelia Smith. Amelia has provided outstanding support to the mental health team, ensuring continuity of care for veterans with complex needs, especially during difficult times and transitions. She recently advocated for a veteran who contacted the crisis line and compassionately followed up to offer support and resources. On May 12th, Amelia also helped coordinate a rescue with first responders to ensure veteran safety. Amelia consistently demonstrates the iCare values, utilizes her deep knowledge of community resources, and fosters hope for veterans through effective, compassionate interventions. She exemplifies the core values of social work in her daily practice. Please congratulate Amelia Smith, Social Work Service.
Thank you. Next are our iCare Individual Awards. iCare Individual Award recognizes those employees who exemplify the iCare values on the job and are serving as role models to others. The actions being recognized should have occurred during the past year. All staff are considered. Nominations can be both clinical and administrative actions towards patients, peers, or the medical center, and should indicate the specific actions or behaviors that demonstrate one or more of the iCare values. Please welcome Tracy Squire from the iCare Committee to present these awards.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our next recognition goes to Reginald Hilson, who exemplifies the VA core value of integrity. As an environmental service technologist in the cardiac cath and EP lab, Reginald's attention to detail and dedication have transformed the department, ensuring rooms and equipment are clean and welcoming for veterans and staff. His consistent reliability and pride in his work set a high standard every day. We are proud to honor Reginald for his outstanding service and commitment to integrity. Please congratulate Reginald Hilson, Environmental Management. Our next recognition goes to Kevin Acierno, who exemplifies the VA core value of commitment. During a recent admission, Kevin responded quickly to a veteran in pain, coordinated care to ensure timely treatment, and provided compassionate support, earning heartfelt thanks from the veteran. Kevin's professionalism, dedication, and advocacy reflect all the iCare values. He also supports new nurses as a preceptor, setting a high standard for nursing excellence. We are proud to honor Kevin for his outstanding commitment to our veterans. Please congratulate Kevin Acierno, RN, from 5B. Our next recognition honors Dr. Sheena Publico for exemplifying the eye care core value of advocacy. Dr. Publico noticed a veteran struggling to communicate and arranged an inpatient optometry evaluation, personally supporting him throughout the process. She coordinated across departments to ensure he received the visual aids he needed, dramatically improving his communication, daily life, and participation in meaningful activities. Dr. Publico's dedication made a profound difference in his care and quality of life. We are proud to recognize her outstanding advocacy and commitment to our veterans. Please congratulate Dr. Publico, psychologist. Our next recognition honors Hollis Sabo, who exemplifies the VA core value of respect through her guidance, care, and empathy for every veteran she serves. As a Navy veteran herself, Hollis brings leadership, professionalism, and kindness to each interaction. Recently, she reached out to a veteran hesitant to return to the VA care due to a past negative experience. Through patient listening and compassionate support, Hollis rebuilt his trust and encouraged him to reconnect with VA healthcare. Staff were moved by her empathy and dedication. Hollis truly embodies respect by treating veterans with dignity and understanding. And we are proud to recognize her for the positive difference she makes. Please congratulate Holly Sabo, AMSA. Chris Bowles stands out at the VA Medical Center because he is approachable, collaborative, and deeply committed to ensuring veterans he serves receive the highest level of care. Chris works closely with VAMC programs, community partners, advocating for veterans' needs. This past year, Chris requested special case review meetings when veterans were initially declined services. Because of his persistence and advocacy, those veterans were ultimately connected to care they would not have received otherwise. His actions reflect what excellence looks like in practice, going beyond expectations to remove barriers and improve lives. Please congratulate Chris Bowles, clinical social worker.
Our next and last awards are the Eye Care Awards for Excellence in Serving Leadership. This award is presented to employees in leadership positions who have demonstrated exemplary serving leadership by creating a culture of trust, fostering leadership in others, mentoring, removing barriers to achieve goals, embedding organizational purpose into day-to-day operations, and demonstrating the eye care values.
Danette Zastwanik's leadership has a positive impact throughout Northeast Ohio VA Medical Center. She consistently exemplifies integrity, commitment, respect, advocacy, and excellence, whether as a peer, supervisor, or caregiver. Danette's leadership is personal and steady. I have seen her bring comfort as both a colleague and as a caregiver for my own family member. This is not me, though. Her dedication to 3B unit has been unwavering through transitions, pandemic, challenges, and rebuilding efforts. Beyond her unit, Danette uplifts all nursing service as chair of the Rewards and Recognition Committee, always putting others first, listening and advocating for her team. She is never too busy to support colleagues and work side by side with her staff. We are honored to recognize her outstanding service. Please congratulate Servant Leader Danette Zeswanik, Nurse Manager for the CLC. Charlisa Latson is one of the most dependable and hardworking nurses on our unit. Every night, staff rely on her in urgent situations, knowing she will step in and do whatever is needed. Recently, Charlisa exemplified servant leadership and integrity by assisting a coworker with a confused patient during a code violet, ensuring her teammate was safe and supported. Shortly after, she volunteered to help a distressed veteran with a challenging procedure, calming and reassuring him so his treatment could move forward safely. Charlisa's actions consistently reflect integrity, commitment, and genuine care for both veterans and staff. She makes her team stronger and her unit safer, truly embodying the I-CARE values. We are proud to honor Charlisa as a servant leader. Please congratulate Servant Leader Charlisa Latson, RN. Our next recognition honors Holly Holland, whose compassion, dedication, and servant leadership make a meaningful impact every day. As Assistant Nurse Manager, Holly consistently puts veterans and her team first, leading with empathy and integrity. When she expanded her leadership from interventional radiology to the fast-paced PACU, Holly embraced new challenges and exemplified resilience. Recently, she supported a distressed nurse through a family emergency, offering comfort and personally ensuring her colleagues' safe return home before coming back to work. Holly's leadership is defined by genuine care for her staff's well-being and by creating a supportive work environment. We are proud to recognize Holly as an outstanding servant leader who inspires all around her. Please congratulate Servant Leader Holly Holland, RN.
All right, a round of applause for everyone. In closing, congratulations to our amazing awardees. Thank you all for supporting them. Service chiefs who are here, if you choose, you can pick up your awards for your area at the sign-in table. All awardees are invited to the reception at the back of the rec hall in their honor. Thank you. Have a wonderful morning still. All right.